talk about max sum subarray. So here this approach is simple and straightforward. So let's look into that problem itself. You can see um, when can a maximum subarray be created? Like why can't this entire thing become a subarray? Because there are negative values like -2, -3, and then there is only one is here. So we try to eliminate these front values, and also here -5 and 4. It will give you a negative value. So the giving a negative values, you try to eliminate them. That is how it works. So the result is needed only the sum, large sum. You don't need to find out what is that subarray. So simplified way is to calculate the sum of the array, like -1, -2 plus 1 is -1, something like that. We'll be keep on adding it, and then whichever that max, once we calculate it, let's see the result that starting with the first value, and then we will be updating the result based on the maximum value. And we need to reset the sum when it gets a negative, because as I told, due to the negative value only we are able to get this thing, drop it. But we do this math, we do this reset after we calculate the result, not before it. So once we calculate this result, we'll be resetting the sum, and that's how it works. And we might need a question like, what if all the numbers are negative? For example, here if you see like -4, -2, -3, you can able to find that -2 is the one, because you can see it will, here you are doing the basic max. If the previous result like -4 versus this sum, because when it is already -4, we'll reset the sum equal to 0, and then we'll see the newer value -2 will be there, and comparatively -2 will be updated. And then when it comes to again, it will be -2 plus 5 -3, so it will be -5 here in the sum, so that will not be considered. -2 is already stored. This one will work fine, and then the reset should be happen at the end after updating the result. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.